Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to start an Instagram live session. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. Then if you want to start a live session, we can click on this plus button. Then we have to make sure that we tap on live option right here. And before we start the live session, we can click on this title button to set up the title of our live session. And for example, I'm going to type live. Then after that, we can click on add title right here. And if you want to set the broadcast audience, you can click on this button. Then you can choose either public or practice. And for example, I'm going to click on this practice option. And after that, we can click on set audience. Alright, and if you want to schedule your live session, you can click on this button. But if you don't want to schedule, you just need to click on this button to start the live session. Okay guys, and that's how we can start an Instagram live session. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel.